In this video, we'll get a high-level overview of the Tool Setup Manager. We'll look at the four groups in the Tool Setup Manager and some of their features. We'll look at the right-click menu and the machine tooling setup, and we'll also take a look at the auto load function. Before we launch into simulation, I want to introduce you to an important part of the MILLTURN product, the Tool Setup Manager. In the bottom right-hand side of the Tool Path Manager menu, we can see the icon with a tooltip. I'm going to go ahead and select the Tool Setup Manager. Tool Setup Manager manages the tools and locators on the machine for simulation. There are four main sections. The filter, this allows us to customize what we see. Tools in the machine group, this gives us access to the tools in our project. The green check designates that the tool is used in an operation. We can filter tools in machine group. We can turn on all tools, which you can see some of them are used and some of them are not. It shows all the tools in our project. We can select tools in selected operations. So if we had pre-selected some operations, those are the tools we would see. I'm going to leave all tools turned on. We also have only tools not loaded on the machine available as a checkbox below. Down below we have tool locators. Tool locators show us the tool locators available in the selected library. Every MILLTURN lathe machine comes with a library of locators customized for that machine. In Machine Tooling Setup, we can manage and view the tools on our turret. So I'm going to click the plus button and expand it out. You can see we have 12 index positions on this turret. You can also see that nothing is loaded on it at this point. If I right click on the turret, you can see I have some options here. One of them is View Component, and we can see our turret and we can see that there's nothing loaded on it. So I'll select Enter to return. Once we launch simulation, Mastercam will auto load all the tools used in operations. It will mount the tool in the first locator in the library it finds that accepts that tool. We can accomplish the same results using the Load Tools from Filtered List button. This will try to load all the tools we have filtered in our Tools in the Machine group on the left. I'm going to go ahead and select this. And you can see that it's loaded all the tools that it can. However, there are some tools that share the same number. The tool number must match the index number. So in this case, Mastercam does not know which tool you want to use. I'm going to go ahead and remove all the tools and locators on the turret by right-clicking and remove all children. This is the state I want to leave it in to allow Mastercam to auto-load our tools when we launch into simulation. We can also manually manage our tools and locators here before we launch simulation if we choose to. For many, this will be a preferred workflow. In the next video, I'll show you how to load and unload tools and locators to manage your setup.